Let's see how you can actually build a conversational AI chatbot that can simply calculate or provide quote estimates for your customers and work on multiple channels like Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, even on the website chat widget as well. So let's see how this actually works. So here I'm in a demo account. You can connect any support channels right here like Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and other channels you see right here. So for this specific demo example, here we have created a sample business information or prompt as well for this specific business called as Coolflow HVAC solution. So here we have all the information about that specific company like business description, services they provide, business hours, and other thing as well. So for the services we have some starting prices as well. And here if you scroll down, here we have the instructions for the quote calculator as well. So here we actually ask few details from the customers before actually provide a quote. For example, we ask what type of property is this, whether it's apartment house or town house or commercial building, and based on the response we actually assign a specific amount for the specific property. For example, if it is a house, we add $300, and we actually go to the next question. We actually ask about how many rooms would you like to cool. Based on that, we actually have 1, 2, 3, etc. Based on that, the pricing differs. And also we ask what type of air conditioning system are you interested in. For example, basic, standard, normal. For the standard, it's energy efficiency, etc., etc. Simple as that. And then it goes to the next question, asking about the air ducts installed. Based on that, we actually provide the code as well. And then the fifth question is that existing if they need to remove the existing air condition, or if yes or no. Based on that, we actually add the specific quote amount as well. And then when would you like the installation to be completed? So based on the time frame, we have specific amounts as well. All right, and based on that, it will simply estimated code will be all the addition of those things right here. And it simply says if a customer says house, 3 rooms, energy efficient, existing duct work, need all removed, etc., etc. Based on that, it will provide the estimated code right here as well. Simple as that. So likewise, it simply work right here. So this is just an estimate code, but they can actually get an idea of how much it will cost for them as well. And here we have some frequently asked questions as well, and here we have other things as well. All right, so now we have to create an AI agent for this specific company. So let me copy this company name, and here go to the AI hub over here and create a new one, and let me add the company name right here. All right, so now we have to copy all the information we have right here. Copy this information and paste it right here. All right, and you can say you are a helpful assistant to this particular company, respond to customers questions in just 1 to 2 sentences. All right. All right, and here if you click on this option, you can set the model you are planning to use. So if you connect to OpenAI, you can choose any of these OpenAI model, but if you want to use Google Gemini, you can use that model right here. Make sure you already connect that specific models via settings. So go to settings, and in integrations you can connect any of these AI models like DeepSeek, OpenAI, Google Gemini, etc. And here if you click on learn more, here we have the guide as well on how to connect each of these AI models. So you can use any of these AI models right here. For example, let me use a GPT 5.4. all right, and here you can set the temperature, tokens, and other things as well. And let me click on save over here. All right, it has been saved. So now let me make this as a default agent so that it will simply handle all the user messages from all these connected channels right here. And if you want to delay the responses, you can do that as well. Go to settings, and here in general you can set the bot reply delay as well. Set how long the bot wait before replying the user's last message. If the user sends another message, timer resets and the message are queued into a single response as well. So here you can set a specific time frame on how many minutes or seconds the bot should wait before it actually generates a response, but let me choose none, so it will simply respond immediately as soon as possible. All right, so now let's test how this actually works. So this can simply work on all these support channels right here, but let me test this on the WhatsApp over here. And here let me show my phone screen. All right, so let's test this through the WhatsApp, but it works the same on other channels too. So here Let me ask about the service areas. What areas do you serve? Alright, I'm asking about the service areas. So here we have listed all these 5 areas. So here we serve, these are the areas. And if you would like, I can also help you check your availability for your area. Simple as that. So now let me ask some other questions over here. For example, can I get a code? Alright, let me ask, can I get a code? So let's see what happens over here. So you should start collecting customer details. Absolutely, I can give you an approximate estimate and the final price is confirmed after the free on-site inspection. What type of property is this for? So here it simply asks the first question we have set up for the specific code. For example, let me say this is for a house. Alright, the first question is for a house. So the next question would be how many rooms. So if it is one room, 2800. So let me say 2 rooms. Alright, and the next question would be about what type of air conditioning system interested in. For example, standard, energy efficient or premium smart. So let me say standard is enough. Alright, and the next question would be about if they have the air ducts. So let me say no. Alright, and this question is about would you need to remove the existing, and again say no, no need to remove it. And also it finally asks when would you like this to be completed. So let me say within a month. Alright, I have provided all these details over here. So now it will simply calculate the code. Your estimated installation code is 6200 and the final price will be confirmed after free on-site estimate inspection. And it's now simply ask the customer details, because after we provide the estimate we actually need to collect these details such as customer name, phone number, email address, installation address, preferred installation date, and the special notes as well. Simple as that. So it simply asks collecting the customer details as well. And likewise it can simply work on other support channels like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and other channels too, and you can actually track all these conversations happen through this unified inbox. So here is from the WhatsApp, you see all these chats happen right here also, and from the unified inbox agent can easily jump in and talk with the customer as well. So when agent send messages from here, the bot will be posted automatically as well. So currently it says bot is active. So if I send a message as an agent just for the demo and bot active is gone, simple as that, and it's actually assigned to the specific agent, sent the message right here as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually build a code calculator using the power of AI. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.